So, hello friends, a very good evening to all of you. I'm just going to share few insights about the upcoming seminar or webinar rather on polarity analysis. Well, as you all know that there are many methods in homeopathic practice, and each method is fantastic and it's giving results to everyone. However, I felt that the secret for each of us is to identify which method suits our own individual nature or temperament or personality. It's like, for example, if we compare an iPhone or a OnePlus or a Samsung, all phones are good and they serve the purpose of communication. The challenge is to identify which phone suits one's nature and temperament. Polarity analysis method, when I learnt and when I was first exposed here at the other song, and when I saw some cases, I felt that this approach suits my nature, my style of working, my personality or my temperament. And why does it suit me is it is very simple. Secondly, it gives consistent results in practice. And lastly, it is less time consuming. That's the reason it suits my personality. If we wish that homeopathy should deserve the place it needs in medical field, then the consistency of results in our practice is something we should aim for. So when Heiner Fry sir came here in Mumbai in 2015, I happened to attend his lecture. One day lecture was there and I happened to attend half of the lecture. One of the most impressive things for me was the kind of research that he did while using polarity analysis. Now we have to understand that that particular person is an MBBS. He is an pediatrician, then he is a hemo-onco surgeon, something like that, something into oncology and pediatrics. In spite of that, he was doing homeopathy. So there must be something that must have appealed to him to do homeopathy. And he showed his success rate to around 85 to 87% in acute cases as well as in chronic case. So what I thought is someone who is of that stature in his late 60s is giving such percentage of success and is coming from a modern medicine background and practicing Switzerland. So a person of that stature, when he is giving this kind of statistical data as to how many patients he has seen and how many patients have got better. Now this statistical data was something that impressed me and it touched me. So when he first came in 2015 here and when he showed this collection of data, I was really impressed because 85% success is a huge number, I can tell you. So what I did after he left is I decided to take 30 acute cases in my practice and to prescribe them according to the polarity analysis approach. And to my surprise, in just attending that half a day seminar and reading little bit of his literature which was available on his website, I saw that 24 out of 30 patients recovered within 4 days. That gives 80% of success. When I got this statistical data for my own self, that led me more to study this system or this approach in homeopathy, which made me go right there in 2018. I went to his clinic to understand, first of all, the manner in which he is working and personally to see that he sees 30-40 patients in a day, which is something that each of us would look for or aim for, and to provide consistency in the results in at least 80% of cases are doing better after first prescription or second prescription was something which touched me, and that is why I kind of got more inclined towards studying this method. Because what I saw personally for me is in homeopathy there is really a lack of documentation. What we see is something in seminars is isolated dramatic cures which we see on the stage. These are good as far as the motivation and inspiration is concerned, but when it comes to actually sitting in the practice and to deal with day-to-day cases, and when the results are not matching up to the standards of what patient expects, then it leads to kind of a downfall, or it leads to discouragement among many homeopaths, and eventually they fall out, and then what suffers is homeopathy. However, I feel fortunate enough to have been exposed to all the wonderful masters here, and I have realized that if I have mastered this approach of polarity analysis, then 70% of my practice is covered. Then all the rest 30% of cases we might need very advanced and artistic case taking and learning from different teachers and incorporating that. But if we are able to crack those 70-75% cases in our practice, it will make a huge difference to our practice, to homeopathy, and to patients in general. This is what is my personal experience. So what I did from 2015 to 2016-17, 2-3 years, I started collecting the data of acute cases. Over a period of 2.5 years, I studied around 304 cases. I took in my own small research project where I kept an observation or a track of these 304 cases, and I had set an inclusion successful criteria that if the patient gets better within 4 days of a homeopathic remedy, he falls more than 50% improvement within 4 days of a homeopathic remedy, then he falls into the category of successful case. And if the patient does not feel better after 4 days, or he feels less than 50% improvement after 4 days of the homeopathic remedy, he falls into a failure case or unsuccessful treatment group category. And after collecting these 304 cases, I saw that 254 patients responded positively within the first 4 days of the homeopathic remedy as far as the acute cases were concerned. And that boils down to around 79% of the success rate, which for me was something very an eye-opener for me rather, because we all know the potential that a homeopathic remedy has. The only discouragement comes that in spite of doing our best, if the patient does not do well, then it leads to a lot of disappointment. The second thing that which I learned from him is to have statistics for our cases. Most of us, we are kind of just giving the remedies, and all whatever is successful we tend to share with our friends and people, and we feel happy about it, which is good in a way. But what would give us a real true picture is to study a certain number of cases and see that after 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, how many patients have really done well and how many patients have not improved. And that will give the correct measure of whether we are working in the right direction or not. And that is what I tend to tell everyone whenever I do lectures at the Other Song Academy, that you take all different approaches. You take each approach that you know. Maybe it's a sensation, synergy, predictive, ICR, Sehgal, now polarity, and take 30 cases by each approach and see for yourself which approach is the one which is giving you better success rate. And that objectivity is something that is lacking amongst homeopaths. And if that objectivity starts to come amongst our own mindset, then I believe that homeopathy has a more brighter future and the patients will deserve a more better care and treatment through homeopathy. And these are the things which kind of impressed me about that particular seminar which I attended just for half a day, and that completely changed my life for the better. I can really tell you, the first thing that happened to me after attending this seminar and learning this method is the kind of confidence that it gave me to take up any challenging case, which was something which I feel something is missing amongst many homeopaths. I will just share one simple case which I just did last month. This was a lady of 60 years age, and she develops a gradually increasing swelling of the eye, of the right eye. They showed to an ophthalmologist, and the first question he asked whether she has COVID. And she had COVID 2 months back, 3 months back, and after this she developed this swelling of the eye. Now the ophthalmologist was a little concerned because at that time in India, the diagnosis of mucormycosis was increasing dramatically. So he was suspecting mucormycosis, but he was not sure about it, and he prescribed some eye drops. But what happened on the second day or the third day after taking that ophthalmologist medicine is the left eye started getting affected, and at that time they contacted me for a homeopathic treatment. So I took her symptoms. She says that there is an irritation in the eye which is worse by pressure, worse by warm application, and better by closing eyes open air. Since she developed this eye problem, her thirst had reduced and salivation had decreased. She feels hot as a person, so thermally she is hot. When I repertorized just these symptoms, it only took 15 minutes for me to take her case. And I can tell you that any acute, if you do with polarity analysis, if you are a busy practitioner, it will not take more than 10, maximum 15 minutes for you to do the case taking, repertorize and prescribe the medicine. And this is exactly what I saw Sir do at his clinic in Switzerland. He does not take more than 10 to 12 minutes to arrive at a remedy in each individual case. On repertorizing the following symptoms in polarity analysis software, which is available free online on Dr. Heiner Freiser's website, the first remedy that I got was Lycopodium. And one thing which was favoring Lycopodium for me is that her right eye was affected and then the left. And I prescribed her Lycopodium 200 single dose. And by the 48th hour, that means after 2 days, her eye was totally normal, no problem. Gradually, the irritation, the swelling, the watering of the eyes all started reducing, and the patients were very grateful for relieving her problems. Otherwise, they were very scared whether it would be mucormycosis or not. Well, this is just the glimpse of the beauty of this approach. And for me, it is so easy and it is so simple to practice that not a single day goes without opening that polarity analysis software. And it is pure joy for me to, take their cases and repertorize them and look it into the software, check in the materia medica, arrive at the remedy. My life has really become very, very simple, uncomplicated from another theories and all that. Every system has its own place, but for me, something which is very simple, which is very consistent, gives results, matters the most, because ultimately my personal desire and my personal aim is to see as many patients I can see in this lifetime, is what I have learned from what I have seen all my teachers do. Once we learn this approach, it does not need any further learning. That is another benefit of this approach, that this approach is very, very short or small. Once you understand this concept, then it is not necessary for anyone to do anything, any advanced thing in that. Within this short repertorial book of therapeutic pocket book, we can solve our 70 to 80% of cases, either acute or chronic. Acute, I feel we can solve 100%. We can take all cases which are acute and get 80-85% results in acute cases. In chronic, there is a possibility that some cases are little difficult where the symptoms or the modalities are lacking. In those cases, we might have to go to use another approach. But most of the patients will really feel better using this approach, is what I have personally experienced, and that's why I like this particular approach. Again, I'm telling you, the most important thing that it does to me, that it gives me immense confidence. There is a book on tennis by Timothy Gallen, and he says that the real opponent is not the one standing across the net, but it is inside us. The challenge is to conquer this opponent in our mind, and that is what polarity analysis has done to me. That the real opponent is not the patient or his diagnosis that is coming to us. The real opponent or the real difficulty amongst all homeopaths is the kind of confidence. Do we have the confidence to take up challenging cases, difficult cases, or even a simple case like an asthma, which can be really bothersome for the patient? Do we have that confidence? And this approach has given me that confidence that yes, we can take any possible case. For example, I was just studying, I got a case of migraine right now, just before starting this. Now imagine the plight of this lady. She gets a migraine attack and now it is lasting for 3 days. Can you imagine? And she's taking all the painkillers and still for 3 days she has to bear this. And what was interesting about the migraine is that I did a research on my own again and collected cases of migraine that I saw from 2017, 18 and 19. I saw around 20 cases of migraine around that time. And I was just making a statistical analysis that how many patients did better and how many patients, dropped out. And to my expected result, I saw that 75% of patients did really well on migraine who received exclusively polarity analysis approach. And such kind of statistical evaluation of our cases from time to time gives me the confidence to practice this approach again and again. Otherwise, we get results and the results are very, very sporadic. The results are very sporadic. What we as homeopaths need to do is to give consistent results. That's what this approach has given me. So I welcome you all for the webinar which is starting on Wednesday. So it will be a series of 4 sessions. In the first session, I would be talking about the basics of polarity analysis as to how, which repertory it is, what is polarity analysis, what is a contradiction, what is a reserve remedy, and what is the genius of the remedy, and why Bonninghussen's repertory is so reliable. I can tell you it's one of the fantastic work that has been done by Bonningshusen. Amazing. I mean, there cannot be any repertory or any such genuine work done in the history of homeopathy which Bonningshusen has done. It has completely changed my life, and day by day my practice just gets busier, and I'm thankful to all my teachers and especially this approach which has given me immense confidence. In the second webinar, I am going to talk about acute diseases, and acute diseases like infective diseases, a case of swine flu, a case of dengue, then some cases of COVID. If I was not knowing polarity analysis in this time and COVID would have come, I can tell you I would be really petrified to take a case of COVID. But just because I know this approach, I am so confident that any time of the day, anyone can call me, even at midnight, that there is a case of COVID. I have enough confidence in me that, okay, let's do the case. And it will not take more than 10 to 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes if it's a COVID case. and we are reasonably sure of the remedy in COVID cases. I'm yet to make the statistics of my COVID cases, but I know that they are pretty significant. In the third lecture, I'm going to talk about the chronic cases, how to approach in chronic cases using polarity analysis. And in the fourth lecture, I'm going to talk about cases where patients will give you so many symptoms, then how not to get lost in so many symptoms, or in cases where patient will not give you any symptoms, then what to do if modalities are missing or if the modalities are less, how to deal with such cases, because all these cases will come to you. So these are the 4 sessions that I'm going to talk about polarity analysis, and I'm sure that it's going to, you are going to fetch far more in rewards as compared to what you are going to invest. Otherwise, I am not crazy enough to travel all the way to Switzerland to study under him. After all, I am an Indian and I am a Gujarati, so I will not spend money so easily. And if you have maybe any questions right now about the webinar series, maybe we can take some if that's a possibility. Is there a possibility, Dr. Soni, to take any question if they have any doubts? Maybe you can date or day of webinar. So it will be on every Wednesday from 7 to 9 p.m. 2 hours, total 8 hours. And I think it will be recorded and be there on the website for a month as well. So that would be a possibility. If you are looking to treat acute cases, like on my YouTube channel, there are cases of acute appendicitis, acute renal colic, which I have put, and that could only be possible by using polarity analysis. How about endocrine disorders? Yes, we can treat endocrine disorders. Psychiatric cases, there is a totally different manner in which we deal with psychiatric cases, but fortunately or unfortunately, I don't get so many psychiatric cases, but I know how to approach in psychiatric cases if we have other symptoms using polarity analysis. Fees, I think they will send you the registration link. On that everything is written. Maybe see the seminar in later months. I think it would be available for a month from the start or from the last lecture. How to register? There will be on the Facebook. It is already there. Where to register and how to register. Is it necessary to buy Dr. Heiner Freiser's book? Well, I had bought it because I wanted to learn everything about polarity analysis, Boning Hussain. So I brought books by Dr. Dimitriadis also, because he works on the therapeutic pocketbook. As far as your basic practice is concerned, you see that after attending the seminar, how fulfilled you feel. If you feel confident enough to manage it and you don't feel necessary, then you might not. But I feel that Sir has around 85% success in acute and chronic. My success rate in acute is around 79-80%. So what is that 5%, 7% missing is something which I am very keen, and that's why I brought his books long back. Whereas in chronic cases, I'm still struggling with 50 to 60% success, which I feel is even more. So I want to reach to that 80-85% success. So I have tried to get whatever information is there, either in form of books or in form of his lectures or whatever, and I try to learn, because this is something which has changed my life for the better. Someone has posted here the link for registration. The best part about this is the easiness with which one can practice, and the second is the surety that giving this remedy, whether you are sure this patient will be better or not, whether the remedy is accurate or not, that also we tend to get it. And I will share in the lecture that if this kind of a repertorization comes, are we sure to give this remedy? Or if this kind of a repertorization comes, whether we are sure or unsure about the remedy. That also is possible. This method also suggests the dose and potency. It's very easy. You start with 200, you go up to 50 m. And if the patient still needs same remedy, you again start from 200, go to 50 m. Yes, it also suggests that. Any other questions? I think we are done with the questions maybe, and I look forward to you all. If you want to practice simple homeopathy, you want to give consistent results in practice, I would be very happy if in the medium through which this particular goal of yours can be achieved. And see you all at the seminar this Wednesday. The first would be the most important, because that will be the basic, where we will understand each and every aspect about it and clear your doubts. There will be a sheet of symptoms also, which I will explain that what is the meaning of each symptom when you ask the patient, so that you don't miss out.